Have you ever wondered about the most disturbing, unanswered mysteries? Today, we're going to explore 5 of the most unsettling military lasers and directed energy weapons. Stay until the end to discover the most surprising of all. Israel's Iron Beam is one of those technologies that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. With its ability to destroy drones in seconds, this directed energy weapon is impressive. Can you imagine a beam that simply makes a threat disappear in the air? Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, the Iron Beam operates with an incredible power of 100 kilowatts. Targets like projectiles and drones are aimed at a distance of 7 to 10 kilometers, ensuring efficient defense. But does it work that well under all conditions? In addition to being powerful, the Iron Beam is also cost-effective, an undeniable advantage for military operations. However, its performance depends on several factors, such as weather conditions. Will we ever see these lasers in full action, like in the movies? Imagine the scenario: a drone approaching and suddenly being destroyed by an invisible beam. It sounds like magic, but it's pure applied science. The challenge, however, lies in the need to track the target for a few seconds, which isn't always that simple. This advancement in military technology is just the beginning. The limitations and promises of these weapons make us wonder what else is being developed in the field of directed energy. And speaking of innovation, have you heard about the mysterious anti-satellite weapons? Russia's Kina project is a true enigma of modern arsenals. This laser weapon is designed to blind enemy satellites, rendering them useless in space. Just imagining satellites being blinded by an invisible beam of light gives an idea of the level of sophistication of this technology. Meanwhile, China is not falling behind. They are developing a compact, yet extremely powerful laser device with a capacity of 1 megawatts. Imagine a laser so potent that it could identify targets in space and perhaps even intercept missiles or other satellites. These weapons are designed to measure the reflected laser light, which improves target accuracy. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. The competition for supremacy in space is becoming increasingly intense, with each nation trying to gain the upper hand over the others. The Russian project and the Chinese development signal a new era in warfare technology. The ability to blind or disable satellites could completely change the global military landscape. Is it possible that, in the future, wars will be fought without us even seeing them? And it doesn't stop there. The next big military innovation promises to challenge our imagination even further. Have you heard of energy transmission at the speed of light? Project Power and Space Energy Transmission. The US military's Project Power seems like something out of a futuristic novel. Imagine transmitting energy wirelessly, directly at the speed of light, eliminating the reliance on physical power lines. This kind of innovation could change not only the battlefield, but also our everyday lives. With the Swell project, the US is testing this technology on the International Space Station. Transmitting energy from space is an ambitious idea that has profound implications for space exploration and even military development. Will we see this applied soon? Energy transmission through the air, without wires, sounds like magic, but it's pure science. Imagine the possibilities. Military bases receiving energy directly from satellites, without worrying about physical infrastructure. This could mean a tremendous strategic advantage. This project also opens new opportunities for space exploration. With energy transmission being tested in space, who knows what can be achieved in the future? This technology could power lunar bases or even future missions to Mars. Doesn't that sound truly remarkable? But just like everything involving high technology, there are challenges. And while the US looks to the stars, other countries are focused on lasers that never stop. Have you heard about China's always active laser weapons? Always active laser weapons. Chinese scientists claim to have developed an always active laser weapon, something that challenges the known limitations so far. Imagine a laser that can operate indefinitely without the need for cooling. If this is true, we are talking about a revolution in the field of energy weapons. This continuous laser system could disable drones without any brakes. Imagine a defense line that never tires, constantly ready to intercept aerial threats. If this technology works as the Chinese claim, the power dynamics on the battlefield could change drastically. One of the significant challenges with laser weapons has always been the heat issue. But this new approach suggests a solution, allowing the beam to maintain its power and range without interruptions. The impact of this would be enormous, providing an unbeatable strategic advantage. This technology could be the future of warfare, a defense tool that requires no ammunition, just energy. Imagine its application in battlefields, defending borders, or even in cities protecting against hostile drones. It could be the key element in a new era of security. But while the Chinese develop always active lasers, the Americans are focused on a different approach to deal with swarms of drones. Have you heard of the Thor system? Thor and anti-drone technology. The Thor system, developed by the U.S. Department of Defense, is a modern and powerful response to the threats posed by swarms of drones. Using high-powered microwaves, it can disable multiple drones simultaneously. Just imagine, a true invisible wall against unmanned aerial invaders. Thor stands out for its efficiency and low cost, as well as its ease of deployment. This system allows for a rapid and effective response, shutting down several drones at once. A technology that will undoubtedly provide a significant advantage for military strategies. Thinking about microwaves disabling drones is fascinating. Instead of bullets or missiles, Thor uses electromagnetic waves, which eliminates the cost and logistics of traditional armaments. It's like a modern version of wall defenses, only made of pure energy. Its application goes beyond the traditional battlefield. Imagine an airport that can use Thor to prevent drones from entering its security zone, or even outdoor events protected against potential aerial threats. Thor's versatility makes it an important asset in various scenarios. With so many new technologies being developed, it's hard not to wonder what the future of warfare holds for us. These lasers and energy systems seem like they came straight out of a movie, but they are real and part of the present. Will we see even more inventions that look like fiction becoming reality?